Hi, and welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. Today I am doing my Plum paper November monthly highlights page, and I am using the sticker sheet from Her Courage to Plan. So let's get sticker booking. Remember, that's what my sons always called it. All right, so we've got this. Let's turn this guy around. So we can do it evenly. I've never worked with this, so let me see how we can do this. This is such a cute kit. Actually, hold on one second. I want it to move it up a little bit because I don't want to get too far down. Actually, what I want to do, let's try this first. What I'll do is place these down first. And then that way, that'll give me a little guide as to where I should be. All right. These colors are so pretty. All right, that's cute. Then over here where it says things to remember, you put this guy down. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And then here we go. Little green. How much do you guys love fall? I love it. It's my favorite time of year. I love the fall and the spring, and probably a lot of people do. But right now, you know, our temperatures, they work chilly, but this week, that is so cute. This week, they've been like in the 70s, low 60s, low 70s. Oh yeah, this is so much easier to do it this way. Oh, let me move it just a little bit over. Ah, that is so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay, and then this one says goal. Here we go. And then we have another goal. There we go. And a third one. Don't forget, this is Her Courage to Plan. This is such a cute kit. All right, there you go. And then for this month, we don't have a whole lot of birthdays. Let's go ahead and put birthdays down here. These scripts are so pretty. Birthdays. And then maybe next month, right here. Okay. And then this one's AM, PM routine, appointments, priority. Let's do appointments, because I know we do have a couple of appointments. There we go, appointments. And then let's do some, should I do events? I'll do priorities, because there are some things that I need to get done this month, or this coming month. Okay, and then this one is, how about this month? Okay. There you go. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that goal, goal, goal. Appointments, priorities this month, birthdays, and next month. Let's turn this guy over. And I've never used this. Let me see. Does this fit? That's too long for that. What does this do? Oh, it kind of outlines. Let's use it here. Kind of outlines the page. Yeah, that's cute. And here we've got one for this side of the page. Let's take it to the top. Oh, that is so adorable. Isn't that cute? I think I need to move this over just a little bit. Let me see if I can lift it up. No, I don't want to ruin it. I'm sure I can lift it up. I just don't want to ruin it. And on this page, the November, I think I want to use this as a things to remember. So let me see what I can do. I think I can probably white out that, because I already know that it's November right here and right here, so I don't need that. So let's go ahead and white that out. Oops. Okay. Let's leave this here. Things to remember. This is so cute. Let's decorate that page a little bit. These flowers are cute. We'll use them kind of like a border. All right, there you go. And I think I'd like to use these guys. Let me, hold on one second. I need to get my tweezers so that I can get these down. I'm sorry, normally I am prepared and I have my tools around me. Okay, let's see. Let's see for appointments. Let's do these little octagons. There's one. 2 and 3, because I don't think we have that many appointments. I know there's some doctor appointments that we have. And then for birthdays, I know we have 2 birthdays coming up. Let's do right here. Oh my gosh, this page is so cute. So darn cute. Okay, and then this month, let's do these. Things I want to remember maybe to do this month. I have 1, 2, and here we go. Okay, that's perfect. Priorities. Let's label these priorities. I'm sure we'll have at least 3 priorities that we'll need to tend to. Okay. Who is ready for the Thanksgiving break? Thanksgiving is my favorite. I love that turkey, and I love the stuffing. Stuffing is the best stuff. All right, let me see. I think that's really all I want to do. So that is just adorable. This is the Plum paper. This is the dashboard. And this is just such a cute kit. Don't forget, it's called, I want to make sure that I get it correct. It's called Her Courage to Plan. And check out her Etsy shop. She's got some really cute stuff. So there you go. This is for the November Plum paper dashboard.